Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Current Affairs series. Friends, today we are going to study about a virtual meeting held under the tutelage of BRICS on astrophysics and astronomy, and India has hosted this meeting. So this topic become important from the two important area of your GS syllabus. Number one, in paper 2, that is GS paper 2, there is a topic that is international and the regional groupings. Second, in GS paper 3, that is a topic that is science and technology, and particularly the space technology. So these are the two important areas from where this topic becomes important. So let us understand the various aspects with respect to this topic and various its development. दोस्तों, सबसे पहले ये समझते हैं कि why this topic is in the news and important. In the 19th and 20th of this month, that is May 19 and 20, that India is hosted a virtual meeting. What was that? It through a platform that is called BAWG. It is a platform for the BRICS member states to collaborate in the field of astronomy. A virtual meeting was hosted, and the meeting was focused to develop regional data network by integrating the research done in the field of astronomy and creating a network of telescope. So what is the background of this news? That a virtual meeting हुआ and that was hosted by India, and this is under the tutelage of the BRICS platform. ये BRICS क्या है? Here actually a note is written here. BRICS क्या है? It is an association of the 5 major emerging economies. 5 इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमी का एक रीजनल ग्रुपिंग्स है. दैट इज व्हाट आर द मेंबर्स? ब्रिक्स, ब्राजील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना एंड साउथ अफ्रीका. सो all the 5 members are the G20 members, and this all the 5 members work in a bilateral relation which is basically based on the principle of equality, mutual benefit and non-interference with the internal affairs. So this is a grouping, and that grouping provides a platform that is called BAWG. What is this BAWG? It is a full form is what? The BRICS Astronomy Working Group. ये एस्ट्रोनॉमी और एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स के एरिया में जितने भी डेवलपमेंट हुए उनसे रिलेटेड चीजों को सुपरवाइज करता है, देखता है एंड डेवलपमेंट को फिर गाइड करता है. सो एडिशन टू दैट, ब्रिक्स had also developed a bank that is called New Development Bank, and this headquarter इसका कहाँ पर है? संघाई. ब्रिक्स के बारे में एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज और क्या याद रखेंगे कि द ब्रिक्स अकाउंटिंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट half of the world's population and about 1/5 of the economic output. So it is a very potential group. Okay, now this is a flags of the 5 nations that which are part of the BRICS. So BRICS had hosted this meeting. An important thing क्या था कि India is basically had hosted this one. It is a virtual meeting. ठीक है? And here that all the member states of the BRICS had participated in this meeting along with the various delegates, the various research scholars and various representatives. तो हम लोग समझते हैं कि ये मीटिंग क्यों सिग्निफिकेंट है. That astronomy, what is astronomy? Astronomy, it is basically a natural science or branch of physics that actually studies about the celestial bodies. These celestial bodies that will include the development with respect to the various phenomena like the supernova explosion, gamma ray burst, the blazars, pulsars and cosmic microwaves. ये क्यों important होते जा रहा है day by day? Because we are witnessing the climatological changes, climatological phenomena, and climatology is also related with the geophysical phenomena as well as the geomorphological phenomena. So geomorphology और geophysics को समझने के लिए that you have to study about कहाँ से? Origin of the universe. ठीक है? Origin of Earth, origin of universe you have to study about. So space technology का role आता है. There are number of the theories. For example, in geography you must have studied about what? That there was a Big Bang theory. ठीक है? Big Bang theory that actually talks about that expanding universe. Similarly, there was nebular hypothesis by Immanuel Kant. Similarly, there was a planetary theory, okay, by the Jeffrey. Similarly, the number of the theory actually given to understand about the development of universe. यूनिवर्स का डेवलपमेंट से हम लोग और सारी चीजों को रिलेट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो ये एस्ट्रोनॉमी, इट इज अ पोटेंशियल एरिया दैट टू अंडरस्टैंड जो क्लाइमेटोलॉजिकल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं उनको समझने के लिए. सो न्यूज में भी यू हैव गॉन थ्रू, देयर इज लाइक द डेवलपमेंट लाइक ग्रेविटेशनल वेव्स, ठीक है. सो ग्रेविटेशनल वेव क्या है? इट वाज बेसिकली पार्ट ऑफ द बिग बैंग थ्योरी. सो ग्रेविटेशनल वेव्स, the space technology, space exploration, the formations of, let's say, sunspots theory, okay, the formation of the pulsars, the black holes, ये सब समझने से what you can get, that you could understood about the development of the universe. The universe के exploration से you can understand the climatological phenomena, the development of geophysical and geomorphological phenomena. So अब objective was that कि let us integrate the things. The countries are developing on its own platform. So there is a time that we should integrate the knowledge and it will enrich the one. So it would be what? A win-win kind of the situation. ठीक है. ये एक एग्जाम्पल है दैट एक जेम्स वेब टेलीस्कोप से दिस यूनिवर्स का एक पिक्चर लिया गया है. ओके, दैट वाज जेम्स वेब टेलीस्कोप. वी विल स्टडी सब्सिक्वेंटली. नाउ इस मीटिंग के बारे में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स यू शुड कीप इन माइंड दैट इट इज द 7th मीटिंग ऑफ VAWG ऑन वर्चुअल मोड. सो ऑल द 5 member states had participated. Second thing, that it assumed the BRICS presidency from the January 2021. That India BRICS का प्रेसिडेंट assume किया है कब? जनवरी 2021 में. दिस मीटिंग का फोकस क्या था? 2 इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया. नंबर 1, दैट टू क्रिएट ए you can call it the regional data network in the field of astronomy. Second, that each country was required to present a scientific work carried out. मतलब it will what? It will add a account for accountability. That you should also push and expedite the research and development in the field of this astronomy. Second, and to integrate all and to have a pool of regional data network. तो ये 2 ऑब्जेक्टिव है इसका. इंडिया हु रिप्रेजेंटेड, इट वाज IUCAA, दैट इज इंटर यूनिवर्सिटी सेंटर फॉर एस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स, दैट इज पुणे एंड DST. ये इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है, यू शुड कीप इन माइंड बिकॉज समटाइम्स ऑप्शंस में कंफ्यूज, सो ये सिली इंफॉर्मेशंस यू कैन मिस, कीप इन माइंड. सो बैकग्राउंड समझ चुके हैं एंड व्हाट वाज दैट ऑब्जेक्टिव. एक हमारा रिसर्च पूल तैयार करना है एंड स्पेसिफिकली जो स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड डेवलपमेंट है. सेकेंड थिंग, रिसर्च पूल ऑल्सो इनरिच विद द इंटीग्रेशन इन द नॉलेज ऑफ लेट्स से बिग डेटा, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, machine learning applications to process the voluminous data, and okay, these are the things. So you can remember कि topic why it is important, objective क्या था, focus is to create a what you can call it the pool of data network. ठीक है. Second, the pool of data network should also include the other development like the big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning applications. ठीक है. Now the space technology and observation is done through telescope. Telescope, what is this telescope? Telescope is an instrument to using that to see the distant object. You must have gone through in your the earlier classes, class 11 textbook. You have gone through that. You note few 1 to 3 points. It can help you to develop more. So let us see कि worldwide क्या क्या चीजें हैं with respect to the space exploration. Dear friend, here is an information that with respect to understand the various universal phenomena in space and astrophysics and astronomy, that NASA actually running a program that is called Great Observatory Experiment. ये basically क्या है कि 4 important telescopes हैं, इनका integration से this project was actually run. So there is a telescope, the Hubble telescope, which will going to study about what UV light से related चीजें को study करना है. Chandra X-ray telescope to study about the X-rays generated by the celestial body. The Compton Gamma X-ray, that is to observe about the gamma radiations and gamma ray, and Spitzer telescope to study about infrared radiations. Okay, so these are the spacecraft who actually they launched the telescope into the space. So a important fact you keep in the mind. Second, apart from that, there is James Webb Telescope. It is a telescope which is a joint collaboration effort taken by European Space Agency, NASA and CSA, that is Canadian Space Agency. So James Webb Telescope के बारे में याद रखेंगे. And one more important point, that James Webb Telescope is not a part of this great observatory experiment by NASA. So it is your James Webb Telescope. ठीक है. So there was a great observatory experiment, James Webb Telescope. Now, एक important topic है, that is your International Space Station. What is this? It is a station that is to study about astrophysics and the impact of space technology on human physiology, biology, and it is a joint venture of the 5 countries. So ये space technology क्या है? It is basically study about what? The celestial phenomena, celestial body, the development there, or what is the impact on the human lives. ठीक है. इसका मतलब it is the applications to explore the idea of space technology for the welfare of the society. ठीक है. Objective of every technology is what? There is empowerment of the society, welfare of society. So it is ISS, International Space Station. It is a joint venture of 5 countries. That is called NASA. ये सारे क्या है? इसके that space research centers है. Like the NASA of USA, Roscosmos of the Russia, then JAXA, it is of Japan, European Space Agency, European, you know it, and the CSA, that is of the Canada, that is Canadian Space Agency. So ये 5 country मिलके initiative लिया, and that is your International Space Station. How it looks, how beautiful it is. ठीक है. This is International Space Station. International Space Station से इस तरह से pictures लिए जाते हैं. Okay, you must have seen in the newspapers. Now, so friends, after understanding the topic, theme and various other aspects with respect to the space technology, those facts you keep in mind. Now let's do some exercise in the form of MCQs. Number 1, that choose the correct statement about the BRICS. All member states are G20 members. India assumed the presidency from the January 2021. BAWG is a platform to explore in astrophysics, and all the above. But what is the correct statement? It is all the above. Second, New Development Bank. It is based on equity, weighted voting system. New Development Bank is headquartered in Shanghai, and New Development Bank support public or private projects through the loans and equity. That choose the wrong statement. What is the wrong statement? It is based on equity. It is a right statement. Weighted voting system? No, it is not in the weighted voting system. Headquarters Shanghai, correct hai. It also gives the loan and equity. So what is your answer? It is your B. Next, Great Observatory of NASA includes same what I have dictated to you: Hubble Telescope, James Webb Telescope, Spitzer Telescope, Compton Gamma. Choose the correct options. A and B, A and C, B and D, A, C, D. Tell me, which one is not the part of Great Observatory? It is James Webb Telescope. तो B जहाँ जहाँ है उसको क्रॉस कर दो. ठीक है. A and C. A, C, it can be, yes, Hubble Space and Spitzer plus Compton is also a part. So which one is the more accurate? It is option number 4. Apart from this, there is a mains type of question. The regional groupings such as BRICS are providing a platform to promote research and development in the areas such as astronomy and astrophysics. How these initiatives will transform the scientific architecture into an innovation architecture for society? Support your answer. Actually, this topic and this question, actually what it trying to say, that simply trying to say that all the scientific development, especially in the field of astrophysics and the physics and astronomy, that there should be a integration of that pool, so that we have a data pool of structure, and those data pool of structures should work in such a way that the technology, the power of the technology should be useful for the development of the mankind and for the development of the society. So you can write that how the technology is useful in the development of mankind, especially the space technology, and more particularly the technology relating to astrophysics and astronomy. Because knowledge of astronomy, it will also enrich the knowledge with respect to the geophysical development, geoclimatological development, and with the understanding with the geoclimatological development, you can also understand the recent climatological changes, because the climatological changes is not factored by anthropogenic factors, rather there are also natural factors. So how could you understand all these? So you can understand by enriching your knowledge. So friends, this is all about the today's topic, and hopefully you must have enjoyed it. So take care, good day, goodbye.